Oh my God, no. Oh, I'm so scared.
This is for real.
What's that?
This is so weird, man.
Keep going, keep going.
What the? Oh.
Okay. Oh, Ash, come on. Let's go, man.
I can't do this. I'm here.
You're big, bro.
See anything?
Bro, it's pitch black in here.
Is it pitch black?
It's pitch black in here, man.
Black. Oh. Jeez.
Can't see anything.
Pitch black, man.
Keep your wits about you.
Don't worry.
Can't use your eyes.
That's me, don't worry, that's me.
Okay.
Chill, it's okay. It's a blue man.
What's that, bruv? Fudge cakes!
Oh my God. Bro, alone, please. Oh my God.
It's the door! Fudge cakes. Okay, look around. There's bare locks.
Locks.
Patient details, there's a box in here.
What does it say?
Patient Rudolph, year of death 1812. I'm not touching that.
That must be a combination, 1812.
Oh.
Bruv, just try 1812 on all of them. I don't like this.
It's cool, don't worry, let's just do this. 18.
Bare deaths in here. Look at this. Parker.
1812.
Oh.
Whoa.
What?
What's up?
Bruv.
Oh, there's a dead guy in it, man.
Bruv.
What's it? What is it? Come, let's do it. Open it, Pearl. Come. Watch it. Come.
Oi, no, none of that. Oh, we're gonna have to, like, search him or something.
Disgusting.
There's a toe tag on it. Pearl, you're gonna have to reach in and get it, man. I'm too big to get in there. You can't go out any further. Toe tag.
Can we pull him out? Doesn't
Can't
come
pull
out,
him
man.
Just, man, reach in and get it, Pearl. Come on,
Fudge!
bro, it's fine.
Fudge!
Pearl, just do it.
Bro, if he grabs me...
It's fine, I've got an eye.
Ah!
Pearl, hurry up.
Oh, it's... Bro.
Just get it, it's safe.
I got it. Patient X Factor Wagner.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
it is.
Oh my days, it is as well.
Oh, wow.
1903, let's go, let's hurry up.
1903.
Check the rest.
19. Fudge! No! Stop! I'm not even joking! Alright, let's go!
You just hurry up, man.
Oh, it's not... Oh. What the fudge? Okay.
Well, apart from the blood.
1970.
Yeah, apart from the blood.
1970. Try that one.
Make sure they're all clicked in properly, because if that's what's wrong before, if they're not all...
I'm shutting this one.
Yeah, push them back in.
Oh, use.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, look, read that there, on there. Oh!
God! Get in, shut drawer, feel around. Shrug, I'm not doing it.
I'm not doing it, bro.
Bro,
I
I'm
can't.
shrug, I'm not doing it. Ash, you lost. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. I'm
Ash,
actually sorry.
please, Ash.
But you lost.
I can't do that.
I said shrug, I'm not doing it, and I'll stand by that one, mate.
Please.
That rule applies in this game more than ever. I can't do
No,
it.
please.
Well, I can't do it, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you know what? I reckon the only person here who sounds a chance is Perri.
This is. Oh, you serious?
Can cockroaches bite?
No, bro, they can't bite.
Yes, they can.
Cockroaches can't bite.
Cockroaches don't bite. Jude, I beg. Jude, someone do it. I beg. I can't.
Right, look, listen right now.
Physically can't.
Right, everyone chill. Let's just listen. If we're honest,
I'll allow it.
I did shotgun first.
Yeah, no, but I did,
okay?
bruv, I beg.
Secondly, okay, you are the slowest, so you are holding the team up, Perri. So you jump in, jobs are good, and you redeem yourself.
Out of 10,
yeah.
How scary is that for you?
That's like 9.
How?
No, that's a 10. That's a 10.
Bruv, do you know what? That's like phobia stuff, man. One of us has got to do it.
Give me your shirt, I'll do it.
Huh?
Give me your shirt and I'll do it. I stole them on my arms.
George, you're a G, because I couldn't do that, bro.
You're a dom, bro.
You're sick, bro, because that's a lot.
You got this. You got this.
As soon as you get in, I'll shut it fast.
Hold this.
That? Alright, cool.
I want to do this. Bruv, they're all up the top, man. They're all gonna go on my
George,
head,
it's cool.
bro.
It's cool. Just you got this. George, as soon as you're in, you're out.
We have to remember why we're doing it.
Remember why we're doing it. You concentrate. They are just cockroaches. That is all they are. They're just bugs. You're gonna lay on them. They're probably gonna burst.
Okay.
They're gonna crawl up your top. Oh.
It sounds worse than it is.
You going for it, Pill?
Fudge!
Legend. Here's the shirt,
Oh,
dude.
bro. No. Alright, cool.
Shirt. Don't even think. Here you go. Bang, shirt on.
Bro, are you serious?
Yeah,
Bro,
crumble.
I swear, yeah.
Okay, you're gonna hop on in 3, 2. Right, Pel, you're going in.
Oh, bro,
Pel, you're going in. And we're gonna pull you straight
Turn
out.
up in the ball in the middle.
Don't even think, just go. Hit it, ready? And bang, sick man.
Go on, Pill.
Fudge!
Hurry up, Pill, hurry up.
Feel around.
Feel around.
A big man!
Oh my god.
Oh my days!
Feel around, Pill.
But there's nothing in it!
Pel, you got this, bro.
There's nothing, bro, I don't know where any other gaps are!
Pel, just keep feeling around.
Feel around, Pill.
Feeling!
Come on, Pel, hurry up. Feel the end of the draw, Pel.
I can hear it!
Pel, just go, man.
Fuck! Oh,
Feel
you
for
man!
anything, Pill. Feel the floor, feel the roof. You're in there, so you might as well just go at it, like go hard.
Serious!
Feel.
Ah!
Pel, calm down, alright? I know it's scary, dude. You got this.
Oh, but I swear, man! Brother, oh, my mum! That's
Hurry up, dude.
trying! Alright. Yeah, there's lit.
What is it?
What is that? Is it a G? L?
GL.
A?
A.
U?
U.
S?
Okay.
Bro, what is that? I think, is it wrong?
Is there any more, Pel?
No. Is it a C?
C.
Bro, that's it, man. That's all there is.
Okay, so what? C instead of the claws.
Yeah.
Claws. Check the thing for someone called Claws.
Drop this. You, man, can you get me out?
Get him out. What was the code?
Go.
Close, I'm looking. Pel, you're a G. Well done, man.
Bro,
Close. Oh, the Bickins.
Okay.
Rollo, just Evans,
Holly.
Pringle, Ross,
Scrooge.
Brown.
Close.
Close.
What is it?
1956.
Oh, get it.
Oh, bang. Key.